make white sauce pasta. It was very yummy, tasty. Children love this pasta. Guys, I am using this one pasta. You can also use another pasta. Boiler, and we add some pasta in the boiler. Then I will add few drop of oil in the boiler and just keep the gas on medium flame. We'll make now cream of white sauce pasta. Take 2 spoons of butter, then 2 spoons of all-purpose flour. We have to take both in same quantity, and 1 cup of milk. Then some oregano, flakes, black pepper, and some salt. First we will add some butter, and I will switch on the gas on medium flame. Then wait for the butter to melt. Add all-purpose flour and mix it. Be like this, not very thin and not very thick. You should keep it on medium. Now the pasta after 10 to 20 minutes. The pasta has boiled now. Take this container to put the pasta. Some cold water on it so that it becomes cold. Oil of vegetable. First we will add some onion. Some cumin seeds and mix it. Then now we will add ginger garlic paste. Little bit ginger garlic paste. Now we will add few capsicum and then carrot and then corns. Mix it all. Put some salt for the taste. Mix it and put some chili flakes. Then put some black pepper. Then oregano. The taste of this tadka was very yummy. Mix it. Now we will add the pasta in it. It was wow, looking yummy. Mix it. Transfer the pasta into the sauce. Mix it for the taste of cream or sauce. Now we will keep it in for 5 minutes. It's ready to serve. It was looking very yummy. Children love this pasta to eat. Bye guys, get to subscribe it.